up, you guys? I had to take a little bit of a break there for a couple weeks. I was kind of going through it, but we are back today with another food review video for all you great people. And today we are going to be reviewing Barbie's 65th anniversary collection from Krispy Kreme. Now, I've been pretty excited about trying these. Again, it's been a little while. I think I'm a little late to the party, but fashionably late, might I say. All right, so here is what these beautiful donuts look like. If I can get the lid. Come on, lid. Cooperate. All right, it's not gonna cooperate. That's okay. We'll go ahead and, here's what they look like up close. All of them look really, really delicious. I'm pretty excited about that berries and cream. Kind of wanting to know what that tastes like. I can't remember if it was raspberry or what flavor it was.
It just says berries.
Okay, so in this collection,
oh, it's with strawberry cream.
oh, strawberry. Oh, my favorite flavor, you guys. I don't know if any of you guys got to get out and see the Barbie movie, but it was awesome. I took all my girls to go see it, and then I showed John later at the house, and it was really, really funny.
It was a very cute movie.
It was great. Ryan Gosling did a great job. I loved his character, loved Alan's character. They were so funny, that whole movie. It was great. I also had a really good message out there for girls and women. And I don't know, I really love that movie. It really touched a spot with me when America was going over the list of things that women go through. It was pretty good. I liked it. Lots of comedy, cute, good meaning. And
for all those dads out there, who have daughters, because before we had Talon, we had 3 daughters.
Yeah.
And I have seen every single Barbie movie there is.
Yes, they love the 12 Dancing Princesses was their favorite. And they would just watch it over and over and over again.
We still own it to this day. And they're in their 20s, from 16 to 22.
I don't think they'll ever let us get rid of that movie. The whole collection. And the CDs, the music CDs too, that go along with it. But anyway, I digress. All right, let's get into this collection. So we're starting off with the Barbie Pink Donut.
Yep. So it is inspired by Barbie's iconic pink and popism, an original glazed donut piped with pink buttercream, sprinkled with sparkly pink sugar, and topped with a Barbie sunglasses.
So cute. Like the old 50s Barbie, right? Mm-hmm. A little 50s style. Oh my God, Margot Robbie in the beginning of that movie, right? She looked exactly like the first classic Barbie. They definitely nailed it on the head with Margot Robbie in that movie. All right, going into Malibu Dream Party.
That was what I was going to pick.
Mojo Cozy.
I was picking that one.
Mojo Dojo Casa House.
There you go, he got it out. Mojo Dojo Casa House.
All right.
That's what
it's a Malibu Dream Party donut inspired by the fun and fashion of Barbie's dream house. An unglazed shell donut filled with cake batter cream, dipped in Malibu blue icing and sparkled with graham cracker sand, topped with the Barbie dream house pieces and piped with white clouds.
Super cute. I love this one. And when you get it, you can really see that sand in there glistening. There's like a gold tint glitter to it. It's really, really pretty. I was like, oh my God. Reminds me of being back at the beach. I love it.
I want to get the piece with all of it.
Yeah, wouldn't that be good?
I want to get this piece, okay?
Moving on to the Barbie Berries and Cream Donut.
As sweet as Barbie herself, an unglazed shell donut filled with strawberry cream, piped with white icing, drizzled with purple and pink buttercream, and topped with Barbie's heart.
It looks so cute. I am so interested to get into that strawberries and cream. I love me some strawberries. And then to wrap it up, the Barbie's 65th donut for the 65th anniversary of Barbie.
Showcasing iconic Barbie colors, an unglazed donut dipped in chocolate icing, topped with Barbie's sweet 65th sprinkles.
Super cool. And then, of course, they filled in the rest with just your good old Talon's favorite, might I add, glazed donuts. Talon loves him a good glazed donut, don't you, Talon?
Yes.
That's right. All right, what are we starting off with, bud?
We're starting off with the dream house.
The dream house.
I want to get
Mojo
the
Dojo
boy
Casa
with
House.
all of these.
With all the sand. Cute. I know, look at all the gold glitter flakes in there. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
All right, let's get into these donuts here. I kind of want them to make a part 2, but also at the same time, it was so good just by itself. I don't know if you should do a part 2, but it would be funny because there were so many Barbie movies that you could really just go wild. Okay, you want the sand? You want this one?
I want the sand. Yeah, I want
Okay.
sand.
Mommy and Daddy will be splitting this one here.
I got cloud.
Ask me anything down in the comment section. I bet I can answer that lickety split, y'all.
Oh, he's got to get a plate for him.
Oh, here's your plate. He's already diving in. Let's dive into this. Barbie's Malibu Dream Party. Mmm. Krispy Kreme. Mmm.
It definitely tastes like cake batter. Like
Knock
when
it out of the park.
Like when you get like a birthday cake batter, that's what the cream tastes like.
Delicious.
It's really good.
Absolutely delicious. Hattie, what do you think about it, bud? Good?
Yes.
Very, very sweet.
Victory screech! All right, which one are we trying next, buddy? Talon's choice. What's big boy Talon gonna choose? Oh, he's warming it up. He's warming it up. He's getting ready. Bam! Barbie's pink donut. It's got the pink icing on there, the little sprinkles, the cute little sunglasses. Does Talon want the sunglasses?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we'll give Talon the sunglasses.
I think we all know what sugar candy tastes like, so
Yeah.
we can just give him the glasses.
You could just imagine, right?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Got it off.
Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's get into it. Mmm. Very light icing.
It is, surprisingly.
It's like a light whipped icing.
It's almost like a whipped cream, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah, it's like if you would order whipped cream.
You almost can't
Cupcake.
taste the icing.
Yeah.
It's like, it's so light. It's like, where did it go? Float away like a cloud. Mm-hmm. Good.
Good.
Nothing too crazy, nothing too sweet, but really good.
Really good.
Really good donut. All right. That leaves the Barbie 65th anniversary sprinkle donut or the Barbie berries and cream. You're so silly.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Going in for those sprinkles, boy. Going into the Barbie's 65th. I can't believe Barbie's 65. That's crazy. I remember playing with Barbies when I was little. And my neighbor across the street, who I was friends with, Stacy, shout out to Stacy. She had the coolest Michael Jackson Ken dolls. And I was like, oh my gosh, so cool. He had the little glove, he had his little red vest, his little short pants, and a cool little, the moonwalking shoes he used to wear. Anyways. All right, let's get into this. Talon's going for it. He ain't even waiting. He's like, Mom, I don't care. Diving in. That chocolate. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a sucker for the chocolate bars. Just a plain old chocolate bar. So the chocolate frosting on this. Woo! Pretty good, huh?
So good.
You like that one?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. All right. That leaves us with Barbie's berries and cream.
I like filled donuts, so
Yeah. Oh, these look so good.
especially fruit filled donuts. I like the
Yeah.
like lemon are my favorite fruit filled ones.
Yeah. You know strawberry is my favorite.
There. I'm gonna get some water to drink.
Okay. Look at that. You can see that all that berry filling in there. Looks really good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Smell that.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. You can smell the strawberries in it. Want to smell it? That smell good?
It smells like strawberry milk is what it smells like.
Strawberry milk.
Dude, I really blasted off there.
You blast it off. Blast off!
Yeah, I was.
We've got lift off! There you go. Oh, it was so funny too watching the Barbie movie and seeing all the different Barbies, and I was like, oh my god, I had that one. Oh my god, I had that one. When Toy Story came out and they had the little like workout Barbie and she had all their leotards and her long rainbow socks on, I was like, I had that Barbie. And that was my favorite Barbie too. I don't know why, but she was. I just loved her little tights. Her whole little side ponytail, the tights, the leotards, it worked.
And every little girl had a weird Barbie.
Yeah.
Some of you boys out there had a weird Barbie too. That's okay.
Hey, I had the one that everybody was calling gay, the Ken doll with he had the purple vest on and like the little earring, and I'm like, hey, maybe I was ahead of my time because I love gay people, so maybe I just secretly knew and I loved him. All right, guys.
But nobody had an Allen.
No, I wish I had an Allen. Oh, and if you order the Barbie's 65th donut collection, you will also be entered in to win a special Barbie. And she is, I think she's like a limited edition Barbie / Krispy Kreme donut Barbie, because she comes with like a little paper Krispy Kreme hat and like a little box of Krispy Kreme donuts. She is so cute. So I went up and I got signed up for that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I win. And if I do, I'm sending that to Trixie Mattel because I know how much she loves Barbies and collects them like crazy. So, all right. Without further ado, the Barbie berries and cream. Ready, bud?
Ready.
Here we go. Oh, that's good. That is so good. You like it?
I like it.
I like it too. That cream is like the perfect amount of the strawberry filling. Not too sweet, not too heavy. It's got a lightness to it. And then when it mixes in with that donut, I don't know, it's just really, really good. I think the only thing I could go without would be this little candy topper, which makes it almost a little too sweet. But if you take that off, really, really good donut. I love it.
I'm trying to find out where you can, like how long they're going to have it out. They're not saying so on the Krispy Kreme website, so.
But it is limited time, so you guys might want to hurry out and get those. Don't forget to download the Krispy Kreme app too, so you can earn rewards to free donuts, baby. I mean, who doesn't love free donuts? Delish. All right, so what do you guys want to do for the ratings on these donuts, Talon? What do you guys give the... let's see, what did we start with? I can't remember now.
We started with the one with the cloud.
I thought we started... Did we?
We started with the Mojo Dojo Casa House.
Okay, so we started with the Malibu Barbie Dream Party, something like that. Donut. So what do you guys give that one out of 10? 1 out of 10.
And
It was a good donut. I'll give it an 8. It's very sweet.
I'll give it an 8 too. It was pretty sweet. The filling was really good, but it was pretty sweet.
A tiny 2 with it.
A million with a tiny 2. So
And-
like 1,000,002?
Yeah, and then for the actual number, it's going to be 100.
100.
And you
Good
know
number.
what that makes?
What?
9 billion.
I think we're coming into a whole new bracket of numbers I've never even heard of before, but I love it. I
Yeah.
absolutely love it.
9 billion.
900 billion. I've never heard of
9
that.
billion. Willie has a Q with it.
A quillion? All right, guys. Next up, we had the Barbie pink donut, right?
Barbie pink donut.
The Barbie pink donut. What do you guys want to give this one? 1 through 10? What are you saying?
I'm gonna give this a 10, and with a tiny 2, and then another 10 with another tiny 2.
Okay.
Like 24?
Yeah.
24.
I'm gonna give it a 7. It tastes just basically like a glazed donut. I mean, the cream doesn't
Yeah.
really have a whole lot of flavor to it. It's really light, but
Yeah.
not a lot of flavor to it. It's just
I give it a 6 too. Not really my favorite. It was a good donut, and like we said, I like the light frosting. The whipped frosting was really good, but yeah, there just wasn't much to it. So going into the Barbie sprinkle donut, the Barbie 65th anniversary donut.
it's good. Their chocolate is always good at Krispy
No.
Kreme.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Okay. What do you think about the Barbie 65th sprinkle donut?
No, I'm doing.
He's broken.
It's broken. Somebody put the needle back on the record player.
I think I'd give
And
it,
then-
what?
A tiny 2
I think it's 6 or a 7.
with it. And
Yeah.
And then going into the Barbies, berries and cream.
basically,
That was my
it's
favorite.
basically-
Yeah, mine too.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Yeah, I'd give it I'd give it a good 9 too. Really good. The
Yeah.
berries cream was really, really good.
It's basically glitched the number and it's an A.
You know what I would love is if they put like chunks of strawberries in there too.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wouldn't that be delicious? Absolutely delicious. Anyways, you guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Go out and get you guys some of these Barbie donuts. They're really, really good. Cute little box. I heard some people were actually running out of the boxes, and some of the patrons were a little irritated by that. But I'm like, I mean, maybe they
First
should
come,
order
first
more
serve.
next time. But yeah, first come, first serve. It's a company. They run out of stuff. Give them a break. Right? All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys tune in for the next video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. YouTube.
Bye.